on the Nifty, red on the Sensex, but it's going to be a dark green for Tata Tech listing. You can see, I think the top management of Tata Tech, they're already getting ready to make history. Yeah, you can recognize some, old timers there in terms of, Shailesh is there, Chanda is not there. Shailesh is there, the CEO is there, and that's the ex-TCS HR head who's also there now. So yeah, old timers of Tata's, and there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
and 64% higher for Tata Tech. I said it early, it is 170. Come on guys, I mean, this is really one of the most bumper listing I have seen. I mean, this will go down as one of the most bumper listings perhaps on the history of Dalal Street. I don't have numbers to prove it, but I'm just jogging my memory. 174%. And since the discovered price, the listing price, and there is a 20% circuit. So the discovered price was 150, 160. Technically, this can actually go above 1500 rupees, 179, and still no pause, so to speak. So if you thought that yesterday IDA was the real magic, well, then this is magic multiplied by magic.
Yeah, literally.
No, I mean, Aisha, this is...
Yeah,
I don't know,
for
but
an issue which was subscribed 69 times to list at almost 900 points of a bump up, 1395. I mean, it's already a 4-digit stock. That's the Tata stable for you, right on day one.
See, Aisha, it's enjoying a scarcity premium. And
yes.
B, there is a huge amount of euphoria and excitement which is there in terms of the market in the IPO action. So both are at play. Scarcity premium and then excitement in the IPO market. And when they both come together...
I think, I mean, today also you have other listings as well. You're not seeing that excitement. It's because it's Tata Tech.
Yeah, so the pedigree, the business, the scarcity premium, rarely these companies go public. Once they go public, they don't raise a lot of capital. They can keep on going, they can keep on going without raising any more capital. So that's a fantastic debut. The debut of the year or the debut of the season. We are looking at some numbers right now, but I just want to put a point in context here. After a 150% surge based on FY24, I'm only looking at trailing. The stock is trading at a P multiple of 70 plus. So if a stock is trading at a P multiple of 70 plus, even though it's a Tata group of company, the question you could ask yourself is that, is this a great company available at a good price, or is this a great company where the scope of return in the near term, purely because of the price, gets marginalized? Best of the companies, doesn't matter what pedigree they are from, if the stock price is not in sync with the reality, they may enter into time-wise correction. HDFC Bank 3-year no return, Kotak Mahindra Bank 4-year no return, HUL 4-year no return, Reliance 2.5, 3 years no return. So I'm not saying the same thing will happen with Tata Tech, but my limited point is that if you're chasing the stock now, bear in mind you're buying a Tata Group company at a P multiple of 70 plus trailing, and the industry average for KPIT and for LTT Tech and all, I think is way different. The sector P multiple has got contracted to mid-teens and mid-20s on a trailing basis when it comes to some of the large cap companies. That's my limited point. But yeah, in terms of history, Wall Street got created today. In terms of magnificence, I think this is as good as it gets. In terms of the scarcity premium and the Tata appeal, I think everything is getting captured. So, like they say, Sone pe suhaga. I think that's the real word when it comes to, describing this listing.